Today we're going to fix this sump pump. Sump pumps move water.
Sump pumps do pump water. Usually they're used in places where water can't be drained using gravity. When this sump pump quit working, I was convinced the motor was burnt up. But Alex's mom suggested we take it apart as part of a learning opportunity and see if it was fixable. Okay.
First we unplugged it and took off the outlet pipe, and then we took off the inlet screen.
Try to pull that bottom piece off.
It was attached to the Phillips head screws, which are the ones with the little cross. Then we removed the pump housing, which lets you see the impeller. Oh baby, look at that! This is the impeller. When it spins, it throws the water out the pump outlets, and more water was sucked into the pump. This shaft was spinning freely, so we knew it wasn't jammed. I also found a worm inside. And then we took the impeller off. I had to use a 7/16" wrench to take the nut off. Earlier today, we learned about fractions. Wrenches have fractions, baby. After taking the nut off, we had to pry the impeller off the shaft.
Right down. Here you go. Go around the other side. There we go.
Woo, we got it off. Everything there looked fine, so we took the rest of the pump base off to control the housing. We had to use a Torx screwdriver to fit the heads of these screws. The controls slid out. They looked like this. This is the capacitor. This one is rated for 15 microfarads. I don't know what that means, but Dad said they go out easily. So we tested it with his meter. It was still good. Then we noticed this plug was disconnected. These are the wires that go to a water level switch. If the wires weren't plugged in, the sensor couldn't tell the control that there was water to be pumped, and the pump would never turn on. We hoped that plugging it back in would fix it. But there's only one way to be sure. Plug it in and put it all back together. We're gonna test it using a water bucket. Yeah. Once it was back together, we put it into the bucket of water and plugged it in. Wow, it was working again. And it turned out to be a really easy fix. Thanks for watching.